Let's start with the big picture and look at the daily chart of Amazon to understand the overall trend. We're looking at the last year's worth of data, and we can see that Amazon has been on a rather bullish run since early July 2024. The price has steadily climbed, breaking through several resistance levels and establishing new highs. However, we've seen some signs of consolidation in recent weeks, indicating that the market might be looking for a breather before the next leg up. The stock is currently trading near $186.33, but the key levels to watch are the recent support levels around $180 and $175, as well as the resistance level around $200. Now, let's dive deeper into the 1-hour chart to examine the short-term movements. Zooming in on the last few days, we can see that Amazon has been trading within a relatively tight range, indicating indecision in the market. The price has been hovering around the $185 mark, bouncing off the $180 support level and encountering resistance near $190. The stock closed at $185.13 on October 1, 2024, indicating a slight dip from the previous day. This could be attributed to the news about the partial dismissal of the FTC lawsuit, as some investors might have interpreted this as a negative development. However, it's important to note that the overall sentiment remains bullish as the stock continues to hold above the $180 support level. Let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart to see what's going on in the very short term. We'll focus on the last few hours of trading to get a clear picture of the market's immediate direction. We can see that the price has been fluctuating slightly, but it's important to note that the overall trend remains bullish. The stock closed at $185.13 on October 1, 2024, indicating a slight dip from the previous day, but the price has been steadily climbing in the last few hours, suggesting that the market is still interested in buying Amazon. This upward movement could be driven by continued positive sentiment around Amazon's cloud business and its growth potential in the generative AI space. The $184 and $185 levels are acting as support, while resistance is being seen around $190 and $195. Looking at all three charts, we can see that there are both bullish and bearish factors at play. The daily chart indicates a bullish trend, with a steady climb in price. However, there's some consolidation in recent weeks, suggesting a possible pause before the next upward move. The 1-hour chart reveals short-term indecision, with the price bouncing off the $180 support level and encountering resistance near $190. The 15-minute chart shows a slight upward movement in the last few hours, suggesting continued bullish sentiment. The key price levels to watch are the support levels at $180 and $175, and the resistance level at $200. If the price breaks above the $190 resistance level, we could see a move towards the $200 level. Conversely, if the price breaks below the $180 support level, we could see a move towards the $175 level. The market's reaction to the news about the FTC lawsuit and the company's new return-to-office policy will be crucial to watch. If the price breaks above the $190 resistance level, it would confirm the bullish sentiment and potentially drive the price towards the $200 level. However, if the price breaks below the $180 support level, it would suggest a potential change in sentiment and could lead to a downward movement towards the $175 level. Stay tuned for updates and further analysis on Amazon as the market unfolds.